Today we will see the family Apocynaceae, commonly known as dogman family. Apocynaceae contains 480 genera, about 4,800 species, include Asclepiadaceae. Mostly these plants are tropical and subtropical, with a few species that are found in temperate region. They are mainly herbs, shrubs, or climbers. Latex is milky, leaves are opposite, old. Corolla is in tube form, scales are present, pollinae are absent. In some cases, ore is superior. Fruit are mainly follicles. Seed with a tuft of hair is present. Asclepiadaceae, formerly known as Asclepiadaceae, separated from Pollinia. Anther added to stigmatic base. Stigma united to gynostagium is seen. Here you can see the major genera: Asclepias, Tabernamontana, Cyanacum, Ceropegia, Hoya rauwolfia, Vatimia, Alamanda catharanthus. Here you can see the number of species present in each genera. Like Asclepia, there are 220, Tabernamontana 220, Cyanacum 200, Ceropegia 140, Hoya 140, rauwolfia 105, Vatimia 80, Alamanda 15, and catharanthus 5. Here you can see the photograph. This is Tabernamontana, Cyanachum, Ceropegia bulbosa, Hoya vegeti, Rauwolfia serpentina, that is also known as Alamanda. This is Catharanthus, also known in Sadapuli in Marathi. The family Apocynaceae, they are mostly present of perennial herbs. As you can see, Catharanthus, vines, Cryptostagia, Daimia, shrubs like Calotropis, Nerium. Trees are rarely found like Alstonia or cactus like Stepelia. Latex is usually milky. Erioids often present. Leaves are simple, reduced or absent in some succulents species. Opposite Calotropis catharanthus, you can see they are opposite or hold in like Nerium. The leaves are simple, entire venation is pinnate, reticulate, stipule absent. Collators often present at the base of the petioles. Inflorescence is diacacial or monocacial cyme. Racemose is umbel, sometimes solitary or axillary cymes or pairs. The flowers are bisexual, actinomorphic, hypogynous, pentamerous, often connate. Calyx, the sepals are 5, distinct. They are basally connate, imbricate, often valvate. Glands are also seen. Corolla is usually of 5 united petals, often forming a tube or short like campanulate. You can see that in Calotropis, clever shaped like in Catharanthus, pearl shaped in Thymacea. Sometimes the corolla is contorted or valvate lobes are present. Corona is usually 5 scales or appendages. They are arising from the corona, throat or corline. Like you can see that in Nerium and Cryptostelia. Stamens that are coronal appendages are nictiferous. Androecium with 5 stamen filamentous free or connate, anthers free of with separate pollen grains can be seen. In Asclepiadae, anthers adherent to the stigmatic area forming a 5-angled disc that is known as gynostagium or gynandrium. Pollens are agglutinated within the anther sacs to form a waxy pollinia. Glands join together to form the pair of two pollinia, one each from adjacent anther, and which helps to the cortical to form a translator. It is an adaptation for insect pollination, mainly seen in this family. The pollen grains may be triculpate, diporate, or uh, triporate. The gynoecium in this family is bicarpellary, often of two apical united carpels. The ovary is unilocular, placentagen stain is marginal. Oils may be two or more. Unitegmic styles may be two. Stigma one present. They are dumbbell shaped or five lobed and fused with anther to form gynostachium. Carpel sometimes may be united by ovary with axial placentation, like in Thivacea and Alamanda. Fruit is etaria of follicles, nerium calotroph as you can see. Sometimes group like in Thivacea. Capsules or berry seeds usually numerous, flattened or cymose with long silky hairs. Pollination is by insect mainly. Dispersal is mostly by wind. The economic important plants of this family are Nerium oleander, Catranthus, also known as Madagascar periwinkle, Eclipsia, milkweed, soya, that is wax plant, Tapelia, Plumeria, and Tabermontana are grown as ornamentals. Nerium and Thioaceae are poisonous. Roots of Royal Pear serpenta yield racipine used as a tranquilizer for patients suffering from schizophrenia and hypertension. Catharanthus provides an anti-leukemic drug. It is used in anti-cancerous medicines also. The lattice from Plumeria is used for healing toothache. Low quality down is obtained from the seeds of several species. Uh, Feature-like leaves are and roots of Discadia chewed with beetle also prevents this toothache. Ruby vine, that is a source of rubber. Tubers of like Ceropegia are edible and mostly used in India. Stem fibers of Calotropis left are used as cordages. Ecclesia is a livestock poison. Here you can see the Catharanthus roseus, flowering tea, callus of flower, showing different oils, nectary, sepals, thalamus pedicel, stigma and style. You can see the corolla tube, the petals, the floral diagram you can see here. Uh, we'll discuss the genus Catharanthus roseus. Stem mostly herbaceous, aerial, erect, angular branch, solid. Pubrulaceous, purple red, milky latex is present. Leaf are colline, ramal. Opposite dickosate, stipule interpedular, simple, entire mucronate, pubrulaceous, unicostate, reticulated. Latex is present. Inflorescence is axillary, dicacheal, cyme, or solitary axillary. Flowers are ebracteate, pedicellate, complete, actinomorphic, hermaphrodite, pentamerous, hypogynous, and cyclic. The calyx, five sepals, polysepalous, valvate, persistence. Corolla is of mostly five petals, gamopetalized, twisted corolla, hypocentriformis, purple. Androecium is five stamens are present, polyandrous, inserted at the mouth of the corolla tube. Epipetalous, diathecous, dorsified intros. Gynoecium is bicamerally syncarpous or is a free and superior. Placentation marginal style, long stigma drum shaped and sticky. Two ligulate hypogynous nectaries are present. One is on the anterior side and another is seen on the posterior side of the ovary. Fruit is etario or follicle. Here you can see the classification. Class is Dicotyledone, subclass Gamopetalae, series Bicarpellate, order is Gentianales, family Apocynaceae. The common name is Madagascar periwinkle. Vernacular name is Sadabar, Savagan. Importantly, is ornamental and used for medicinal treatment of cancer. Thank you. In the next lecture, we'll discuss another family.